Welcome back. Today we are doing Year 3 Place Value End of Unit Assessment. You'll be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and try and answer the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So let's get to the video. Here we have our first question. Anna has made a number. What number has Anna made? We're going to start off with counting how many blocks are in each column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 5 ones. Now we're going to write this out. So in the hundreds column, we know there's 4. In the tens column, there's 2. And in the ones column, there's 5. So the answer is 425. The second part of the question, is the number odd or even? How do you know? So 425, we know that it's an odd number because the ending is a 5. The last number determines whether it's odd or even, and 5 is an odd number. So the number is odd and we have to explain it. So in the ones column, the number is a 5 and 5 is an odd number. So we know that 425 is an odd number. Question 2. Circle the number that has the digit 7 in the tens column. So this would be the ones column, this would be the tens column, and this would be the hundreds column. So the middle column, in this case, would be the tens column. So if we look at the middle column of this one, it's a number 2, but we're looking for the number 7, so this is not the number that we're looking for. If we move on to the second number, this is the tens column and it's a 7. So, and we're looking for a 7, so that's right. And if we check this last number as well, the middle number is a 5, so this is not the one that we wanted. The middle one is the one that we want. Question 3. Max is making a number using some counters. Max chooses 6 counters. He makes a number greater than 300. Circle the counters Max could have chosen. Now we need to make a number that's bigger than 300. So you can circle any of them, but they've got to add to more than 300. So I'm going to circle this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I've got 4 100s, 1 10, and 1 1. So my answer is 411, and that is bigger than 300, so I am right. Check your answer to see if it is bigger than 300. Question 4. Match the numbers. 606, 660, 676. So 606, so there's 6 in the hundreds column and a 6 in the ones column, so it would be this one. 660, so 6 in the hundreds column and 6 in the tens column, so it would be this one. 676, there would be 6 in the hundreds column, 7 in the tens column and 6 in the ones column, so it's this one. Question 5. Complete the missing numbers. Now we need to see what the numbers are going up by each time. So we've got 255, 265, 275. We can see that every single time they're adding on 10 each time. So 255 plus 10 gives us 265. 265 plus 10 gives us 275. Now if we keep adding on 10, we can fill up the squares. 275 plus 10 is 285. 285 plus 10 would give us 295. 295 plus 10, that would give us, that's correct, 305. And if we add on our final 10, we would get 350. Question 6. Here are some digit cards. 2, 4, 9. Max uses the card to make a 3-digit number. Write down all the numbers between 250 and 550 that Max can make. So, the first number that Max can make is 294. The next number that Max can make is 429. And the final number that Max can make is 492. Our number can't start with a 9 because that would be bigger than 550. So Max can only make these 3 numbers. Question 7. What is 100 less than 719? So if we're working out what 100 less is, we're taking off 1 from the hundreds column. So if we do 7 minus 1, it's 6. So the answer is 619. What is 10 more than 97? So we're adding 1 onto the tens column. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So that means it's going into the hundreds column. So 107. What is 10 less than 205? So we need to look at the tens column and we're taking 1 off. Well, there's nothing in the tens column. So when we take 1 off, if we move on to the 20, if we take 1 off, that would be 19. So 195. What number is the arrow pointing to? First, we need to work out what each of these lines represents. So, to get from 100 to 200, we're adding 100. And how many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 lines and we're adding by 100. So if we do 100 divided by 10, that would give us 10. That means that each of these lines represents 10. So 100 plus 10 is 110, plus 10, 120, plus 10, 130. And if we keep going, we can get up to the arrow. So 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, and 190. The arrow here is pointing in between 160 and 170. What number is between 160 and 170? Yes, that's right. It's 165. Question 9. How many tens are there in 500? So we've got 5 100 blocks. We can count each of these tens. So each of these rows are 10. And we need to find out how many tens are in 500. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one has 10. So this one also has 10. So does this one. And this one. And this one. Now if we add 10 plus 10, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, we get 50. So there are 50 tens in 500. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye!